Presenting AquaSure Delight RO plus UV plus MTDS Water Purifier from AquaGuard. AquaSure Delight takes pride in its multi-stage purification technology, which not just provides 100% clean but also absolutely safe and tasty drinking water. The AquaSure from AquaGuard Delight is a combination of the best-in-class water purification technologies RO plus UV plus MTDS. This purifier can treat water having input TDS of up to 2000 ppm with reduction of up to 90% TDS, thereby ensuring safe and tasty drinking water always. With its advanced TDS regulator, consumers can easily adjust the taste of water as per the water source, ensuring that the consumer gets sweet-tasting water. This purifier comes with a 6000 liters cartridge life to ensure long-lasting and hassle-free access to safe drinking water. Its user-friendly functionalities such as power on, purification, and tank full indicators smartly update you on the current status of your machine. This AquaSure from AquaGuard purifier also comes with a large storage tank of 7 liters that ensures that you never run out of safe drinking water. Not only does this machine purify the water your family consumes, but also does its bit for the environment all around. The energy-saving mode automatically turns off power once its tank is full, thus saves on electricity bill. This modern water purifier is installation friendly. It can be easily placed on kitchen countertop or wall-mounted above sink. This totally blends as per the requirement of the urban home. This product comes with 1-year brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods.